Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've been trying to help somebody with a colored that they're going to print a Donald Duck, and it will not trace very good, as you can see. So I found the exact Donald Duck in black and white and traced it, and here's the trace, and you can see with the yellow background, it's perfect, where the color one is not at all. So you can do this two ways. You can take the Smart Fill tool, go to the Smart Fill, and doesn't matter what color this is, grab your eyedropper and put it on that blue of the shirt, and then go over to Donald Duck and color in everything that's blue. Then you can go kind of click off that, go back to the Smart Fill tool, grab that, and because it's going to be printed, we are going to use white. So I'm going to grab that white, and I'm going to click on everything that's white on him. And you can see it still left the impression of his hand. I guess you have to click on that one too. I think we got all the white. So then just go to, you don't have to click off of it, go to the Smart Fill tool, grab that back and grab that red and click on it and then fill that in with red. So it's going to be the exact same color. We need a black for his mouth, but that's just, anything. Just click on that black right there and whoop, I already had that object clicked. So just put that in black. And everything else is kind of like a flash colored. So take the Smart Fill tool, go up to the eyedropper, grab that flash, and I forgot his hand in white. And there's actually that ring right there is in brown or flesh. That one's in brown. And his beak is in brown. I actually made his mouth black, but you can actually just click on that and just make it black. Only other thing we need is the blue for his eyes. So same thing, just go to the Smart Fill tool, click on the eyedropper and get that light blue color and fill that in. And I think we have it. So now you have a good, crisp, sharp vector image. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.